Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today I got something exciting. I got the Xmaxx 8S. Got it in the color green. So we're just gonna do a quick unbox, plug in the batteries, and just do a first run and maybe a little bash. All right. Dang. Holy moly, those tires are so freaking big. Oh, dang, dude. All right, let's take this off. All right, we got the remote. Let's put it down there. Let's take this box off. So, got some tools, instructions. All right, let's take the cover off. Dang, that looks good. So yeah, they got the single release little stuff that Traxxas has. So if you get green, orange, or red, they come with the colored shocks, which is pretty cool, and the lock nuts. Dang, this is pretty cool. All right, so I took out some of the other trucks just to show you guys the different scale sizes. So we got 1/18 scale, 1/14, 1/12, 1/10, and then you got Xmaxx. Man, I actually thought these tires were big. Look at this tire. This tire is almost as big as the roof. Dang. Let's just put it like this. So, 1/18, Xmaxx. Alright guys, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time.